Hey y'all, Jen Hernandez, Loan with Jen. What is a 203K loan? If you're new to the channel, welcome. We release 2 videos per week and buying tips and shortcuts to give you what you need to know on your next home purchase. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. What is a 203K loan? So 203K is a certain paragraph in the FHA guidelines that allow on an FHA loan repairs or improvements to be rolled in to the loan. Now, it's first important to know that not every lender will allow a 203K loan. So it's very, very specialized. Make sure that your local lender, and I do definitely recommend a local FHA lender on this one, because it's dealing with local contractors and the realtors, and it's really got a team of experts together that's really important on this type of a loan. Now, is this type of a loan good for you? So I'll tell you a couple of just overview facts about 203K. 203K loans, anytime you're including costs, repairs, or improvements into the loan, the interest rate is going to be affected. So whatever the base rates are for a regular FHA loan, and again, FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. You can go to fha.gov and find out more terms about what an FHA loan is, or you could just watch my video about it. So go to my channel, look up FHA loan, and you'll find that. Now, an FHA loan is on a 203K, allowing these improvements to be in. So let's say you have your base FHA rate. I'm just going to throw this out as an example. Let's say that it's 3%. Let's just pretend. And a 203K loan rolling in these costs could be anywhere from 0.5% to 1% more in interest rate. So you want to make sure that that's A, what you really, really want to do. And B, there's also some other fees that are involved that have to be coordinated. So you as the buyer will have to be assigned a HUD, Housing and Urban and Development approved inspector, that's going to be like your liaison during this process. So they have to coordinate, go out to the property with you, they double check the contractor's bid. So you'll have to get a contractor in order to give what we call a bid for repairs. They'll have to itemize, there's paint and there's fixtures and there's wood for this and cabinetry, whatever it is that you're doing. Now, these items are itemized, they have to be checked. The HUD inspector is definitely the liaison on your side to make sure that the costs are customary for the type of work that's being done. Now, the other important thing to note, okay, on a 203K loan, number 1, the interest rate is higher. Number 2, the closing takes longer. So the closing normally in a normal market, 30 days for just a normal regular FHA loan. Now, when you're adding in there the complexity of a contractor, a HUD inspector, back and forth, it takes about 60 days. So depending on the time that you're doing this, the market, currently in the making of this video, it's a seller's market all over the country. In fact, for the first time in history, it's important to know that will the seller be willing to wait that long in order to close on the house? So for that reason, some people choose to not do a 203K loan. If they can find other ways to finance the improvements themselves after they purchase the house through maybe a gift or a 401k, we encourage you to look at that before you go to a 203K, which increases the rate, increases the cost, and increases the time period. So just a few things to talk about with your local lender. We definitely recommend a local lender in the market area, state where you're buying, even the local community, and your realtor, of course, who's going to be your liaison. I hope you've gotten a lot from this video. Good luck with your home search. Be sure to watch our other videos on the channel. Just go to our playlist, hit the search tab, type in the keyword of what you're looking for, and there you go. Talk to you soon. Legacy Mutual Mortgage is an equal housing opportunity lender. The opinions expressed here do not reflect those of Legacy Mutual Mortgage.